Hello, I'm John Klesnick, and this is Lava for HWE. Nothing's more powerful than lava, brought to you by Bonnet Pro. I'd like to go over the 7 new, very different, very unique hot water extraction products that Bonnet Pro has designed. Go through the products. There'll be a link at the bottom that tells you about AFT and some of the special technologies that are there, and also a landing page that you can look at each product individually that you're interested in. But I'm going to just do a quick overview. But before we get started, I'm going to do just a little demo. These balls are about a quart. I'm going to mix them, fill them both up about halfway. And this water is probably, if I were to guess, about 140 degrees, 149, 148. So they're both the same. So I'm going to take some of our red lava, which has oxy in it, and we're going to put that in there and just see what happens. And then we're going to take some of the competitor's product, which also has oxy, and we'll see what happens. One thing I noticed right away is that the red lava smells fantastic. If you look at the blue lava, just look how fine that powder is. So this mixes very easily, even in cool temperatures. It's not cakey or clotted. So what we'll do here, we'll stick our finger in it. And we'll do the same thing here. And let's just see what starts to happen. And what you'll notice as this starts to go, you'll start to see a reaction with the red lava. You'll start to see bubbles. You'll start to see things happening. And with the competitor's product, you really won't notice anything happening. This has a lot more energy. It has a lot more power in it. And it's going to start having some reaction in just a few seconds here, where you'll see it actually start to dance and move, and as it's releasing energy. So this is going to clean much better than the other kind of Me Too products that are out there, and they're very common. The red lava has AFT, which is active film technology. This prevents oily binders and biofilms from attaching to the face fiber of the carpet, and as you know, hot water extraction over the decades has been plagued with rapid resoiling. Whereas that's what's given encapsulation so much popularity is different cleaning methodology, but encapsulation typically doesn't resoil like hot water extraction does. So we've addressed that with our rinse, with our lava rinse, and by putting the AFT in our 3 pre-sprays. So we have the 2 powder pre-sprays. Now what's unique with them is these are 7.5 pound jars. The competitor uses, it's the same size, but the contents are much different. They only use 6.5 pounds. That's 4 pounds different per case. That pound will allow you to clean about 1,200 feet per jar. That's almost a 5,000 foot difference that you get extra out of one of my cases at the same dilution, because we give you more product. That 5,000 feet times what you charge, 20 cents a foot, that's $1,000 extra per one of my cases. That pays for a couple of cases of the product. That's a fantastic value on top of the great scent, on top of the great shipping deals, the performance, and extras like AFT. So now come over here and let's look at this. You can see this, like I said, I call it dancing, but you can see a reaction occurring. Same temperature water, let's just verify again. That's dropped to 126 degrees. This is also 128 degrees, 127. So same water, same amount of product, but you see mine releasing energy because there's more energy in it, and it means there's more cleaning power that you're going to receive from red lava. There's a reason we call it lava, because nothing's more powerful than lava. So let's move down the line. Blue lava does not contain oxy, so it will mix easier in cooler temperatures. It's got a different fragrance. It's got a light citrus scent. It's very mild. It won't overwhelm or be too strong. You won't get complaints from it. Some products just have too much fragrance in them. So The red lava uses our new fresh lava scent. Let's move on to the other pre-spray, which is liquid lava. Liquid lava is Nanomax based. For you guys that have used my Nanomax for years, you know what a fantastic cleaner this organic product is that goes after hydrocarbons like nothing else. It out-cleans synthetic products in the world marketplace. We've combined that with special solvents, and the two together are just absolutely awesome. So typically you'll use just a few ounces of this per gallon, or you can use an ounce of this to even boost your end cap. It works fantastic with omega citrus. Use this full strength as a spotter, and I'm going to link, like I said, all the other videos on the landing page to this. And look what this does on a machine shop floor that's a half a century old, and look how it cut through the grease all the way down to the concrete. It's just an amazing product, and it's over 60% organic. If we go to yellow lava, and we're still dancing here, and the other product is still doing nothing. So just a small indication of what you get with red lava. The yellow lava is a USOR. That means it's a urine stain and odor removing product. And the goal here was to get a pre-spray that would outperform anything else in the industry, because we're putting more tech, we're putting better raw ingredients into it, and that you have your best chance possible, when used properly, to make it a one-visit correction for urine stains and odors, which is a big part of our industry, and it's a good, profitable business for you guys to offer if you're not offering it now. Give me a call and we'll talk more about that and what this can do for you. This goes after odor-causing bacteria. It uses our super stable hydrogen peroxide that we use in Revive It Rocket and Oxy Spotter, and you guys know how great those products work. We have the zinc-based odor neutralizers that are in ProFresh, the ProFresh scent, and we have additional cleaners, so you're very unlikely, like the competitor's product, to have to mix in other pre-spray ingredients to actually clean the carpet while you're using this. So this is a fantastic product with a great scent for working on urine. If we go over to fresh lava is a unique scent that we came up with. It's my favorite scent. I like it even more than ProFresh, and ProFresh is the scent that put Bonnet Pro on the map. This is very similar to ProFresh in its foundational makeup of the chemistry, but it's a different fragrance. It's a little bit more mild. It won't last as long as ProFresh, which can be useful in certain situations, but when you're using it and thereafter, it just is a fantastic clean smell. If we go down to acid lava, we made a little bit more acidy. And the reason I did that is when you're dealing with high pH powders, or you're dealing with tile and grout cleaners that are high pH, I wanted this to be more acidic, to not only rinse out and bring down the high pH, but if you're using another acid after your tile cleaner, like Grout Shock, that it sets the stage and the foundation from a pH standpoint, that you get a better result with your acidic tile cleaner afterwards. Don't use this on marble or soft stones, but for other surfaces, this is fantastic. And finally, we have Lava Rinse. Lava Rinse is Nanomax and AFT. AFT will block those oily binders. They'll block the biofilms. Nanomax is a 0 health rating. It's organic based. You're not going to get a cleaner, fresher rinse than you will with this product. Even great for mattresses. It's pretty much odorless, and it's about as green as you're going to get, but it also cuts hydrocarbons and cleans extremely well. For our distributors, we have great looking laminated labels, so these products look excellent on your shelves. If you're interested in becoming a distributor, feel free to contact me at 877-477-1615 or email me at info@bonnetpro.com. We have our shipping specials, we have our Bonnet Pro service, and we have unique cutting edge technology that is truly game-changing, built into these products with better values. So come to Bonnet Pro and see what we can offer you, and see why we're the #1 professional's choice for not only encapsulation but now for extraction. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.